What happens when kids aren't given space to make? Not drawing, not building, not experimenting, just watching, copying, consuming. Picture this: a tablet glowing with perfect pre-made unicorns. One tap, done. Smooth, neat, easy. But something vital starts to slip away. By around age 8, kids who rarely experiment show weaker executive function. Planning, self-control, flexible thinking all soften. They copy peers more, invent less. What-if questions fade. Dopamine dips, so discovery loses its thrill. The brain doesn't break, it just settles for less sparkle. That vital thing? Friction. Gentle push-ups for your child's brain through play. No gym fees, just a messy corner and a few minutes of freedom. Spilled paint? Neuron workout. Crumpled paper? Executive function reps. Toppled blocks? Pure prefrontal cortex power. And here's a brain treat: neuroplasticity. The brain's wiring system grows stronger through hands-on exploration. Dopamine rewards every oops and tiny victory, while brain scans show hands-on play lights up creativity networks brighter than swipes. That's imagination training. Every wobbly tower, every crumpled paper is a mini lesson. The same kind of friction that once shaped Pollock strips and Curie's glowing experiments. Good news, zero craft store needed. Just 5 minutes of joyful freedom. Give a child space to squash clay and let physics surprise them. Offer wandering scissors and watch how cutting sparks tiny experiments. Leave torn magazine pages to transform chaos into treasure. Every little oops whispers, "My hands shape reality." Without friction, minds go quiet. With it, curiosity wakes up again. Hands shape minds. Mess sparks brilliance. Watch what they can create.